Funny, one of my first experiments with magnetics was because I actually was trying to make an algaecide, and it was working actually. And then I see on Amazon, it's like, hey, look at this, a new floaty thing you put in your water that has a magnetic thing for algae. I was like, are you kidding me? But what is this? Is there any scientists out there that have ever seen? I wanted to take it out. Sorry, I'm trying to walk. Okay. Doesn't it look like a bacteria at a microscopic level? Right, sir? I know, I would take it out, but let me see what happens from here. This one looks really interesting. What's up, clouds? Coming to talk. But what if I know, do something? Starting to grow on this too. I need to look on my Google Chrome picture search. Shout out Google, what's up? Isn't that interesting though? I wonder what kind of chemical composition, and they do have. I was taking this out and a few of them fell off that had actual a stem, everything. I don't know if that's the mycelium at a mutated level of potential mycelium, possibly. I don't know. We shall find out one day. I don't know. I kind of want to move this to an isolated area. I don't know. Time will tell.